Does Pumpkin have a reindeer nose?
Yeah. A pumpkin has no.
He's in the trash. Hey, Pumpkin's in the trash.
No.
What?
No.
Yeah.
No pumpkin touching.
No pumpkin trash can? But Halloween's over. Pumpkin goes in the trash can, yep.
No pumpkin touching. No pumpkin touching.
Yeah.
No pumpkin touching.
Oh, yeah, you think so?